the Sons of the American Revolution. I want to welcome you to this unveiling this morning, and we will start the proceedings this morning. Color Guard Commander, advance the colors. I'll now ask Treasurer General Larry Guzzi to lead us in the pledge to the United States flag.
Please join me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Having traveled from Sedona, Arizona to Museum Row in Louisville, Kentucky, we welcome the Sons of Liberty 1775 statue, which has come to rest in front of the SAR's national headquarters. It is fitting that the Sons of Liberty 1775 depicts the iconic Minuteman. Minutemen, along with the militia, were there on April 19, 1775, at Lexington and Concord, where the first shots rang out, signaling the beginning of the Revolutionary War. These citizen soldiers played strategic roles in the Revolutionary War, literally responding to a call by dropping their plows, grabbing their muskets, and running off to defend their families and communities. The Sons of Liberty 1775 stands almost 8 feet tall and weighs almost 800 pounds. And how fitting and appropriate is it that it rests upon 19,000 pounds of Kentucky limestone, terrain very familiar to a young George Washington as he surveyed the Ohio Valley. As an SAR landmark, the Sons of Liberty 1775 represents our founding patriots' determination amidst the struggle for American independence and our nation's westward expansion. It was sculpted by a renowned sculptor-artist and an SAR compatriot, James Muir. He has completed over 100 statues, many of which are life-size and that are on public display across the country. As an artist, Muir's sculptures are filled with symbolic meaning and reflect duty, honor, courage, and justice and truth. They exemplifies man's greatest virtues. John Muir is from Arizona, specifically Sedona. So you might ask, how did an artist from Sedona, Arizona end up with a statue on Museum Row in Louisville? Well, one of our compatriots from Arizona, Inspector General Warren Alder and his wife Nancy, were visiting in Sedona, ran across the studio that John Muir had many of his creations and thought that the Sons of Liberty 1775 Minuteman statue would be an addition that the SAR should look at. So he proposed it, and the Philadelphia chapter of the Sons of the American Revolution raised the money for it, and it has found a home today on Museum Row. As the newest resident of Louisville's Museum Row, and the SAR being one of the largest male lineage societies in the country, we welcome this opportunity to contribute this statue to the historic environment of Museum Row. We hope the Sons of Liberty 1775 will welcome the 2.8 million Louisville area visitors who are focused on our history, and they can discover their family's connection to the role of the American citizen in founding this great country and the Revolutionary War. I would also like to recognize two people that have been integral to the process, not only of this statue, but our presence on Main Street. I'd like to recognize, first of all, Dan Preston with architecture. Dan is standing over here. Dan not only designed what we're going to unveil in just a minute, the base for that, but he also was involved in designing our genealogical library and the headquarters building, which we'll hope you'll have a chance to take a few minutes and walk through after we finish. And also Leo Post. Is Leo here? I don't think he's made it yet, but Leo Post with Leo Post Construction is the contractor that built this, then fitted the statue to the base and put this on Museum Row. And we appreciate their professionalism and their assistance throughout the project of moving here. There are a few people that I would like to recognize that may have some comments. First of all, we have Janet Cuthrell from Senator Mitch McConnell's office. Where is Janet? Janet is standing over here. Thank you very much for your presence today. Representing Congressman John Yorman, the 3rd Congressional District in Kentucky, is Chase Sanders. Would you come up, Chase, to give a few words?
The congressman unfortunately couldn't be here today, but he sends his thanks to the Sons of the American Revolution. It's an honor to have such a historic and prestigious organization in our city, especially having this momentous occasion right here on Museum Row. And he just wanted to extend his support, his full support to the organization. And congratulations on the wonderful and beautiful statue here today.
Thank you. We also have representing the city of Louisville and Louisville Metro Government, Keidra King. Is Keidra here? Okay, well, Keidra may not have made it yet. Representing the SAR Foundation, we have a local Louisville resident, J. David Simpson. Would you come up, David?
Emmons from this building. What is a better time than now to once more emphasize our nation's founding values? While just to start, today we will take pride for the city and the SARs. At this time, I would like for Sam Powell, with Sam Powell as president of SAR Foundation, please step forward and say a few words.
Thank you, David. I'm Sam Powell. I'm president of the foundation, and I just wanted to say what a pleasure it is for us to be here in Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville is a fantastic fit for our organization, and as you know, this is our national headquarters. And we hope that we're going to be a great fit also for Louisville.
Thank you, Dr. Powell. The Philadelphia Continental Chapter in Pennsylvania is one of our largest and most active chapters. It is through their efforts, as Dr. Powell mentioned, that the money was raised to commission this statue. We have with us today James Hall, representing the Philadelphia Continental Chapter. I'll ask James to please step forward and say a
statue. So we, the Philadelphia Continental Chapter, are very, very proud to make this happen here in Louisville. Thank you.
Thank you, Jim, and thank you very much to Philadelphia, to the chapter, for their generosity in making this possible. And now we are going to unveil this beautiful statue. Okay, I'll ask the color guard to please retire the flags to the interior of the building.
Color guard, that's good. Cut! 5, 8.